Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of applying glitter onto your nails. So we're just going to get into the video. So my first method is going to be just your acrylic. That means that your acrylic is already mixed in with your glitter. So the first step is you're going to do is obviously you're going to prepare your nail, and after that, you are going to go into your acrylic, okay, and then you're going to start applying that onto the nail. I like to encapsulate all my glitters when I am working with acrylic. So this is what I do. I just go ahead and add my acrylic here. You do want to make sure your application looks nice and clean at the cuticle area. So that's where I'm working on. Okay, so now once I am done applying my glitter acrylic, I'm gonna go into my just my clear acrylic, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a layer of that. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just encapsulating that glitter. So when I go back in and file, I'm not gonna mess with that glitter at all. Okay, so then that would be it for this application here. I'm just gonna go wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna go in with my file, reshape it, okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add a top coat. So we'll be back. Okay, so that has dried, so now I'm just gonna go in, reshape my nail. Okay, so now we're just gonna dust off the nail, and we're going to be applying your top coat. And then we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds, I'm sorry, 60 seconds, and then that would be it for this nail. While that cures, I'm gonna go ahead and start off on the second method, which is gel glitter. I went ahead and I made my own glitter acrylic, and then I also made this gel glitter. So again, you would just take your gel and just apply it. I like to apply this as more like a nail polish than anything. Now gel glitters are going to be on the thicker side, so you just have to be patient and just get it where you want that to be. In this case, we are applying it on the whole nail here. And as you can see, there is some bare areas right now that you can see on there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish applying this layer, cure it, or nook it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and apply another layer, and that just depends on how much glitter you want on your nail. If you're satisfied with this amount of glitter, then obviously I would just go ahead and cure it and apply a top coat. I want it to be covered fully, so I am going to go in, cure this for 30 seconds, and then come back and apply another layer. So we'll be back. Okay, so that cured for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to go back in and apply another coat just because I want this nail to be covered in glitter. So now I'm just going to give it a second for the gel to level out. Okay, because these are self-leveling gels. So I'm going to give it a second there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the light one more time. But this time I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds. I want to make sure it's nice and solid, and then we'll be back. Okay, so that cured for 60 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the tacky layer off with a little bit of alcohol and a napkin here. And then I am going to go in and reshape my nail. So just go ahead and dust that nail off. Just gonna spray it one more time, clean it off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a top coat. Okay, so again, same thing. We're done reshaping and we're just applying the top coat. And I'm going to go ahead and cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, and we're going to move on. We're going to move on to the third method, which I feel is it's going to be the easiest one of all, because what we're going to do is we're going to take, obviously you want to have a base to this nail, whether it's gel or acrylic, so you want to have a base to that, and you're going to be applying a top coat to the whole nail. So we're pretending that there's a base to this nail already, okay, whether it is gel or whether it is acrylic. So now we're just applying a top coat, and we're going to take our glitter, whichever glitter you would like, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put this underneath there because I do want to catch my glitter, and we're going to go ahead and sprinkle this glitter onto the nail just like that. Okay, tapping it off and applying as much glitter as you would like. I don't want to spill any of it. Okay, just tapping the excess off and applying as much as you would like. Okay, so now you're just gonna go ahead and just leave it as is, okay, and put it in the light for 30 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back again. So we're just brushing it off. So I'm gonna go, the way I like to do this, many people are gonna do it different. You can go back and encapsulate the rest of the nail with another, a builder gel, anything like that. So you can encapsulate this nail. The way I like to do it, because we're pretending that I already have a base, so I don't want this nail to become too thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my top coat and apply it, and it's going to be lumpy, okay, it's not going to be smooth at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds because I do want this to be cured all the way. Okay, so I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and we'll be back. Okay, so I brought that out of the lamp, and what I'm going to do at this point, many people are going to do it different. What I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go ahead and clean it off. Okay, it is going to be lumpy. Okay, I'm going to clean off the tacky layer off of that, and then I'm going to go in with my nail file at this point and reshape the nail. I'm going to go ahead and spray it and clean it off. It should be a little bit smoother for you. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and put another layer of top coat. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure that again for 60 seconds, and then that nail should be all done for you, okay? So then I brought that nail out of the light, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean it off, and that nail should be smooth for you now. It shouldn't be lumpy, or you shouldn't be able to feel the glitter either. So as you can see, I'm running my nail, or I'm running my finger through the nail, and I don't feel anything. That nail should be nice and smooth. Like I said, I'm cleaning it off. As you can see, if there was anything sticking out, or if it wasn't smooth, this napkin wouldn't be going through this nail nice and smooth. Okay, so then there it is, 3 different ways of creating a glitter nail. So first method, we have your regular acrylic. So that's the way that looks. Let me bring those out. So this is, yes, this would be just your regular acrylic application. And this is the gel glitter application. Okay, and that's your third one. That is the one where you apply the top coat, do not cure it, and then just go ahead and sprinkle your glitter on top of that top coat, cure it, and then go ahead and bring it out, shape it, file it, and then apply a second layer of top coat. Okay, so as you can see, there's that is 3 different ways of creating a glitter nail. Okay, alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.